how to fix Curseforge not logging in. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you the most effective troubleshooting step guide for you to bypass this kind of issue if your Curseforge client is not letting you log in. It's very simple. So all you have to do first is to right click on the Curseforge shortcut icon on your desktop and then choose on properties, then choose on open and then choose on open file location. So this is going to be the main CurseForge application on your PC. All you have to do here is to right click once again and then choose on properties. And then from here go to compatibility, scroll down and then choose on run this program as an administrator, hit on apply and then hit on OK. Now you're just gonna need to reopen this application right here and try to re-log in. And that's it. That's how you fix CurseForge not letting you log in.